You know, guys, I didn't, since I came to this restaurant, first day it was, but today, yo, yo, yo. Baby, yo, this is sweet, this is so nice. Oh, gotta get cabbage yana, gotta get spinach yana, I forgot this spinach yana, mona. I forgot to jump that thing out once again. Baby, you know that I would cook. Baby, guys, this is so beautiful. Why sometimes, you know what God appreciates. God appreciates you when you appreciate what He has given to you. This is what we should be enjoying instead of taking our money going to taverns, drinking our lives out. You know, here now you are enjoying life. Look at my wife. Ah, baby, what is this? Yo, baby. Yo, 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 baby. Yo, guys, she's feeling herself. Ah, baby. Ah, she's feeling herself. I'm telling you. Baby, how is it? What is this that we're eating? What is it, baby? Do you know?
I'm trying to think.
You're trying to think?
It's soup, like broccoli, something.
I don't know.
No, wait.
Maybe the soup for
I just picked it
spinach.
from the menu and then I didn't know what it was, so I decided to try.
Oh, you are the one who chose. Oh, lovely food. Look at this, baby. Look at this.
You have anniversary.
Come again?
You have anniversary today.
Yes.
Yes.
You have the wine from its company.
Yes, they gave us already.
Compliment, yes.
Thank you.
You want now or later?
Now it can come.
No, we have it. It's in our...
No, that one was welcome wine. This is the anniversary wine.
Oh, but we don't drink wine.
No, it's okay.
No.
No, it's okay. We need it. It's fine. We'll take it to our room.
We don't drink.
We don't drink wine, but it's okay. We need it we'll take it to our room.